All right, you guys, so we have another power strip here. This one is the same brand that I just reviewed not too long ago. And this one is a surge protector. You only have 2 outlets. Here you go. This is big, you guys. All right. You get 10 foot of, take this bread tie off. This is thick cable, you guys. This is thick. It feels thick. All right, you guys, and this will be my to-go-to when I'm using my pressure washer. So that's the purpose of this. All right, the main purpose is that you can use this outdoors, you guys, outdoors through the rain. Right now we got snow, but through the rain. And then we got our power washer, and we definitely going to power wash once the weather kicks back in. And I will be using this. Now, this cord is a 14.3. It is built in surge protection. Okay, so it's built in surge protection in case the electricity cut out. It won't damage none of your electronics and all of that good stuff. And the rating for this is 1,875 watts. So if you're trying to put in something with more power, then it might kick off at your circuit breaker because you're overloading your system right here. So yeah, and 125 volt rating. Plug it in, you have your green light right there. One last feature, I have to say this once again. The covers on here, I think all extension cords, surge protectors, whatever, all of them should have these covers for going inside because it's amazing. It's shock proof, and like this is probably the best idea anybody could come up with. Especially you spray it, nothing is going inside, right? Nothing is going inside, and it's shock proof. You can put your hand around it. I'm not telling you put your hand around it, but you can put your hand around it and not be scared like other outlets, right? So that is pretty awesome. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.